Hi, I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax. Today we're taking a look at another Achille Silvani designed masterpiece, the Azimut 55 Fly. Flybridge on this boat is the biggest in her class with the opening hardtop, which means you'll always be comfortable eating at the large settee up here, and the most comfortable couches you're going to find on any boat. Kenyon grill wet bar and fridge up top, along with the Platinum Electronics package, joystick docking, bow and stern thruster. The boat also has electronic power steering, so the sensitivity of the wheel adjusts according to your speed. If you want to head downstairs, there's plenty of seating on the aft deck as well. As we move inside, the aft galley is going to have everything you need, including double sink, large fridge and freezer, 4-burner induction cooktop, and a convection oven and microwave. The salon has an incredibly open feel. Adding to that, the double doors fold completely out of the way. And if you want to drive or dock from inside, the inside helm is on the starboard side, so it gives you another docking option. Up forward, we've got the VIP. Beautiful, light, airy space here. The VIP head is shared as a day head, and there's a guest cabin opposite the day head, and yes, that is a skylight just before you enter the master. You really have to step into the full beam master to appreciate just how much light comes through these two large windows. And of course the master features its own large head and shower. And that's our 2020 Azimut 55 Fly. If you'd like to arrange a complete tour, give me a call at the contact information below. I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.